If you have to open many favorite folders every day on your Mac, don't do it by yourself. Just use a shortcut, click on it, and you will see every folder is open with just one click. And of course, you can download this shortcut and many others from my Patreon website. So let's start. Open the app Apple's Shortcuts and click on the plus button on the top right corner, and it will create a new shortcut for you. First, rename your shortcut and click on Title. If you click on the icon, you can choose a color and an icon. Now you have to search on the right side for File. You will find the action with the name File, double click on it, and now you can choose your folders. Click on File, and here you can choose one folder or multiple folders. For example, these folders, and select Open. And if you want to select more folders, you can click on the plus button and select other folders in another area and click Open. And now we have to open the folders. For that, search for Open File and double click on the action Open File. Normally it should open all folders in the Finder, but be sure and click on Default App and choose Finder. Click on it. Now we are ready to go, and you can test your shortcut just by clicking on the play button, and it will open all the folders in the Finder. You can have access to this shortcut from your home screen via widget. I showed this in the last video, or you can select it from your controls. Just open your controls and select Edit Controls, and here you have to search for shortcut. It is possible to run just one single shortcut, or you can select the collection from the menu bar, and for that you have to select your shortcut in a special menu bar folder in Shortcuts. I will show you. I select this and I can choose Add to Control Center, this is on the right side, or Add to Menu Bar, this is on the top side. I choose Add to the Menu Bar and tap on Done. Now you can see in the menu bar the icon from Shortcuts. If I click on it, I can choose a shortcut from my collection menu bar. But at this time, we can't find our shortcut. So click on Cancel, open Shortcuts, and select your shortcut and drag it to the left side to menu bar. And now if you click on the menu bar icon, you can find your shortcut ready to go. Okay, and in this video I will show you how you can rename many files with the creation date and run it from your home screen. See you next time.